Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
From Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the weird, wonderful and wacky from all over the world. What do we got here?
We've got something from the New Zealand mints.
That's the one.
But in bullion.
Yeah.
They do quite a few numismatic products, but every now and then we saw recently with the Grogu coins, they duck over to the bullion focus space. The dark side. With the light side, Michael. Come on, numismatics are clearly the dark side.
Oh, sorry mate, my mistake.
Come on, you got a Bullion Now shirt on, not your little coin shop shirt on. And yeah, they duck over to the bullion space. So we've got some Spider-Man coins.
We do. I do love the way they do their monster boxes with these. I know it's a bit gimmicky, but
it's a simple print, but it's enough to show that little bit extra effort, and it makes us smile. So yeah, we love to see it. I think a lot of other people do too. Spider-Man, Michael, thoughts? Just before we see the design, I'm just talking the franchise and things in general.
Look, I'm a bit old school on this one. I'm not a huge fan of the new Spider-Man.
What you
genre.
mean? Sorry, which one? It's been rebooted how many times?
Yeah, well, this is true. I'm not a big fan of the whole. It's not called a galaxy. It's called the
multiverse.
Yeah, I'm really not into that.
Stick to one verse, Michael.
Yeah. Like I said, I'm also a bit old school. I grew up watching Spider-Man cartoons and reading Spider-Man comics, and I've still got some of my kid. The ones from when I was a kid, they're probably worth a fortune.
I was going to say, you start talking Spider-Man comics, you can start talking big bucks depending on the ones. So.
But these...
Let's get into the coins.
These are bullion, super rare. There's only 250,000 of them around the world.
Got some of the details there.
We do. So, look, yes... Okay, Ruben, are they gimmicky or not? What's your take on it?
Gimmicky, they are one of those coins similar to Star Wars and a few other of those franchises that I think has a wider appeal than just the bullion market. There is plenty of coins out there that you could hand it to anyone, and if they didn't have an interest in silver or gold, they'd say, that's all right, I guess,
So what?
Oh, yeah, I've got no interest in this, whatever. I mean, I think I'm going to throw a certain coin under the bus here. Something like the Super Pit. It's cool because, hey, the gold has come from the Super Pit mine. Yeah. People go, oh, that's cool. But to anyone else, it's like, it's a photo of a hole in the ground. Like, it's a depiction of a hole in the ground. Something like Spider-Man has, as you were just saying, multi-generational appeal. With all those reboots, it's a new wave of... Yeah, a new wave of kids, a new wave of people being interested in the franchise. So, gimmicky probably a little to an extent because, what does the Spider-Man universe have to do with coins? Yeah. But in the same way, I think kind of cool.
When I open these types of things, I realise how much of a geek I am because I'm getting really excited about the tape around it. The fact that it's got Marvel printed on it.
Official Marvel.
I'm going, oh wow, look at that while you're filming, and then I'm thinking, yeah, I really am a geek. So inside we have actually what I kind of like the simplicity of this design. So you've got just the mask on there. So it's fairly simple, but I actually think it works. It's kind of got a matte finish on the rim, and then a mirrored finish in the coin itself.
Bit of a blur between just a normal spider's web and the mask itself because you don't really have the details of the face there, the shape of the face. It's still keeping that kind of circle shape to it, and I think, very cool blend between the two.
Yeah, I think it's good. And then on the obverse side,
got the public seal of Niue.
Yeah, and quite a nice finish, I got to say. With the mirroring there, I think they do a great job. Good use of space. So look, it's a simple design. It probably wasn't what I was expecting. Particularly, I was probably more expecting the cartoony type depiction. I think I like it.
I think talking about what I was just speaking about with that multi-generational appeal, I think it is one that, that's it. It doesn't depict, the latest version or anything like that. It speaks to any and all fans of Spider-Man, I would say, which is a very good thing.
So we've got it in the silver, but wait, there is more.
There is more.
Let's see if I can get into this without taking off a finger. So, get rid of that. Stick it up there out the way.
The other one this strikes me as is something that could be work well as a gift to a young stacker.
Certainly.
Someone just starting, kind of loving superheroes and the like, and a chance for some education, which we of course love here at Bullion Now.
Yes.
Start the conversation of Why is Spider-Man on a silver coin?
That's right.
Or in this case, a gold one.
Soon to be a gold one. I'm interested to see if they've used the same design, because I actually haven't seen the gold one yet.
Typically they do, just from experience, but we will see if they've...
Yes, they have.
There we go. I was going to say, every now and then they give us reason to question.
So you can see there, 5 Spider-Mans.
Now, every time I ask this question, the answer is, of course, always gold because it's worth more, but from a design point of view, we often ask if you have a preference between the design in silver or gold. Which is winning for you?
I mean, the design's the same.
Yeah, but you know,
reasons. But
sometimes the particular metal can bring out a design better.
And that's exactly what I was going to say. I think the silver, I think the design pops better on the silver than it does on the gold.
There you go.
To be fair, though, let's take it out of the plastic bag in case that's stopping some of the popping.
Well, that's it. These gold ones come with capsules. The silver ones don't.
That's right. So look, I think I'm right. I think the gold does stand out better outside of that plastic bag. You get more of the shine to it. But I still think I prefer the pop of the silver over the gold.
Also, just that little bit larger as well to give you a bigger planchet to look at.
It does. Yeah, look, I like both. But I think I prefer the silver over the gold.
Yep.
The way it appears. So, but yeah, look, it's a line ball for me. I'd take, if you're offering to get me one for Christmas,
I'll start saving.
Yeah, that's the one.
Alrighty, thank you very much, Michael. Very cool unboxing. We will see you in the next video.
Sounds good. See ya.